Chapter 2. Parts of a computer. Topics covered. Main parts of a computer. Additional devices of a computer. Main parts of a computer. Monitor. This is a monitor. It looks like a television. Everything that we do on a computer can be seen on it. CPU. This is a CPU box. It is the brain of the computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Cyber bits. CPU is also known as System Unit. CPU is responsible for every action of a computer. Keyboard. This is a keyboard. The keys present on it are used to type words, numbers and symbols on the computer. Mouse. This is a mouse. It helps us to point and select items on the computer screen. Additional devices of a computer. Printer. This is a printer. Using it, whatever we see on a screen can be obtained on the paper. Speakers. These are speakers. They are used to listen to music or any sound stored on a computer. Headphones. These are headphones. They help us to listen songs and other sounds of the computer by wearing over our ears without disturbing others. Cyber bits. Nowadays, Bluetooth headphones are available in the market which require no wire to be attached to the computer. Web camera. This is a web camera, webcam. It helps us to capture and record videos on the computer. Modem. Modem is also a part of a computer. It sends out signals for internet to work. Thus, every part of a computer has its unique function and makes computer a useful machine.